Hey, Dino here from Deep Branding. I have a quick question for you. Products and services have values? Have personality traits? No, but we human, we do. Every single one of us is different and think in a different way and has a different belief systems and values. And we have different friends and different tastes. And if you want to get people to use your services or buy your products in today's market, you have to create brand personality, which means to create a persona that is your product or service. Find those personality traits and personality with values and beliefs and a full world for your product or service. This is the way to grab attention, to get people, to acquire new customers. Everything is connected. Personality traits, the kind of person you are is all based on your values. What you believe in, the way you dress, the places you go to, the products you buy, the services you use, where you go to school, where you buy your food, everything is based on that. And maybe 100 years ago, 200 years ago, these things weren't important. You just had a good product and talk about the product, and people will, you just needed to be on the radio and then on TV, and everybody will know about you and they will buy. But today is not the case. Today there's so much of the same, and there's so many media outlets that you need to master. So the best way to do that is to focus on this brand personality. What are the values of this brand? Well, according to Business Harvard Review, shared values account for 64% of brand relationships. So when you want to target a specific customer and you need to talk to them in a specific voice, specific way, and communicate something, you need to use values. And those values in your brand have to align with their values. Because if your values and the target audience's values are not the same, you're just spending time and money because it will never work. Everything has to correlate, everything has to create something very specific, something holistic. So think, what are the values that my brand stands for? And then see how you can communicate them in the best way that will align with your target audience and where you need to do that. Good luck.